Hello and welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we are getting all technical. I'm going to show you how to use Loom videos to send proposals that are more powerful, that grab people's attention and help you sell. So if you want to know how to use Loom video or any screen sharing video tool to send more powerful proposals, you're in the right place. It's coming up. So I'm going to recommend that you send a video walkthrough with every proposal you send. And I get that it can be a little bit of a pain in the butt. Because I know for myself, I create proposals and then I'm like, oh, I don't want to get on video right now. It's like, oh, my hair, or I don't feel it, or the kids are running around, like, ah. But I make myself, I have one right now that's sitting in my drafts, and I just have to record the video. And so luckily I did my hair, so I'm going to record my video and send it off. But I will not send that proposal without a Loom video walkthrough. Nope, never. Nope, won't do it. Won't do it. Okay? So because I know the power of it. And if you really don't want to get on camera, you can always use a picture, like your avatar or, whatever your profile picture. And Loom does this thing where it kind of looks like it's talking. It's like pulsing. So you still can have a voice to walk through a proposal, even if you don't want to do a live video or a video. Okay. All right. So when you're sending proposals, how many have you just got the proposal ready? You got the pit in your stomach. That's a whole nother live training about pricing and proposals. But you got that pit in your stomach. You're like, what are they going to say? Oh. And you literally close your eyes and kind of cross your fingers and hope for the best. You hope your numbers match their expectation. Okay? You hope that they understand each section of the proposal. You're like, okay, did I make that clear enough? Did they really get it? Do they understand why I put this here? Do they know what this means? Proposals should be short and informative, but there's so much you want to say. And if you're like me, I do not like to walk through a proposal live with another human being. I don't want to see their reaction. I don't want to be in a place where they're like, I don't want any of that. But I do want to be the voice in their head as they review the proposal. I find it's really impersonal. Like, I put a lot of work into my proposals. It's a lot of money I'm asking for, or they're going to be investing in, and I just send it with an email and a link that says, here's your proposal. God, that feels like too impersonal. And the most important thing that I have found is that there is so much that can be said between the lines, and that sending a Loom video, just your voice, your facial expressions, the way you can cut the tension, the jokes that I add in, sometimes the lightheartedness of it, to break something that could feel pretty serious. If you're sending proposals, our proposals are up there around the $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 mark. In fact, the last 3 I've sent are right at $10,000, and you better believe I'm lost my breath. So, a Loom video kind of, I don't want to say softens the blow, because it sounds like the proposal is harsh, but still, it is a lot of money to invest. So let's talk about sending these proposals and not having that feeling. Literally, what if you could have the feeling of confidence? What if you could send a proposal going, they got this. They're going to understand exactly what's in here. They're going to understand the value. They're going to fall in love with me even more than they did on the discovery call. I feel so good about this. I can't wait till they get this proposal, and I can't wait till I get their feedback. This is good. How many of you would like to feel that? That's how it should be. Because energy is exchanged whenever you're talking about services, value, money, time, resources. And if there's anything inside you that has fear or trepidation or hesitation, Trust me, you guys, that oozes, that energy can be felt on the other side. When you're excited and you're like, I can't wait to get started, like this is gonna be awesome. That energy also gets transferred. And that's what a really good Loom video will do when you're doing a proposal. Let's talk about the video walkthrough. So a proposal that will stand out gives you another chance to sell. If you've been with me long enough, you know that I will always say never skip the discovery call. It is your actual sales call. That is when you make the sale. Trust me on that. The proposal is closing the sale, but it is another chance to sell. You're going to point out the highlights based on your conversation from the discovery call. You know that they're stressed out about XYZ, and your proposal includes a bunch of stuff. You better believe that you're going to point out, oh, and the fact that we can do your email marketing for you so you never have to write another email. You can't write that in a proposal, but you sure can say it as you're doing a walkthrough. My proposals are 90% templates. So I do add some personalization to it, but it's still somewhat cut and paste. When I do a video walkthrough, I personalize their project. I talk about what we spoke about. I say, when we do your lead generator for the blah, 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 we're going to do this, and here's one as an example, and I personalize it to their project. And just like I mentioned, we say the things between the lines. Guys, so much of freelancing is selling. I wish it wasn't true. Honestly, I wish you didn't have to focus and worry about psychology and sales and all the things. You know, there's a lot of work you have to do before you get to do the work you want to do. And a lot of what I teach is just to help you manage that, to streamline that, to make it fun, to make it enjoyable, a technology tool that's a little bit of a hack to save you time or like at least help you get ahead. But until you embrace the fact that you're going to have to be good at like connecting with people and reading people and understanding and listening, you really won't have the chance to do the work that you really love. And you're going to come to like despise and get frustrated every time you think about clients and going on Upwork and sending proposals. And that energy, one, will like slowly kill you. Okay? And like I said, it just does translate. You are not going to attract the type of people that you really, really want to work with. Okay? A Loom video builds excitement. It builds momentum. It allows you to get them excited and then encourage next steps. Close the sale. My Loom videos build and build and build. At the very end, I'm like, oh, I'm so excited for you. And we can get started next week if you're ready. Get started next week. Get started this week. We can get started today. Sometimes it depends on what day of the week it is. Like if it's Friday, I'm like, next week. Hey, but the good news is we have capacity and we can get started right away. Hit reply. Let me know what you think. You can tell them what to do. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found that valuable. Hey, if you're looking for more on how to be a full-thrive freelancer, find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule, check out our other videos and subscribe below so that you are always notified when the next video drops. Did you know we have a Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers? If you want to connect with us there, the link is down below. Click that. We'll get you over to the Facebook group. You're going to get to see free masterclasses, live Q&A, and a great community of other freelancers working to thrive.